All right, guys. So, you like my knee pads? Just a bunch of bags squished together. Anyway, so getting the walls put up. That's my rough opening for my door. Jack studs. So what they're making me do, which is kind of dumb, but you know, it's the code, is they want me to use this as a sill with a 2x4 on top of it. So it's a 4x4 and a 2x4. So they want a 5-inch sill pressure treated, or they were going to make me do all my studs pressure treated, which would have been real freaking heavy, and I don't want to do it. So I'm going to be putting lags 7 inches in to the concrete and bolting down the sills. We're going to use hurricane straps for all of that. So got these 2 walls done today. Still got to add this little section right here. And then tomorrow I'm going to get all these studs into the concrete, get the sill on, start putting the wall up. I'll start checking in as I go. I need to get a tripod eventually. Lost all my stuff in the garage fire, so kind of come full circle. But the bus is coming along, got everything out. I got the schematics drawn out, so I'll share that in the next video. So we're going to be doing, it's going to have a king-size bed, sink, toilet. It's going to have a urinal, stove, refrigerator, dressers, all that good stuff. So it's going to have pretty decent storage. So getting ready for Halloween. Today is Halloween, but these things cost so much money that we don't want to leave them out. So these are actually official movie props.
Did you know
so,
the average human body?
Yep. There's Killer Clown from Outer Space. There's Jason trying to get ready to be Jason. Killer Clowns, Captain Spaulding. They got the detail pretty solid on these. So there's a little dog. Oh, it's Toothy. Toofy. That's her. Yep. Hi, Toofy. So yeah. And then we got, I think he's Jason. I keep thinking he's an actual person, but kind of reminds me of Sloth out of the Goonies. So, but I'll be definitely posting more. I'll do some like time lapses while I build this garage. Got to get everything straightened out. Today was kind of rough, but keep on trucking along. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, guys.